Hello and welcome to Device Doctor. Today we're going to see which Epson printer is right for you. Epson EcoTank L8050 or Epson EcoTank L8100.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Which features are the same? Both printers use 6 ink colors for great photo printing. You can print on PVC cards and CD DVDs with both. Both support Wi-Fi Direct, so you can print without a router. They both give you about 8 pages per minute on normal A4 paper. In fast mode, they print up to 22 pages per minute. A 10 by 15 centimeter photo takes around 12 seconds to print. Both printers support paper between 64 to 300 GSM and hold up to 120 sheets. What about print quality? Both printers give you the same high-quality results. They print at 5760 × 1440 dpi, which means it's sharp and colorful photos. So, for photo printing, there's no difference. What makes them different? L8100 has a scanner, so you can also copy and scan documents. The L8050 does not have this. L8100 has a 4.3-inch color screen, not touch. L8050 has only buttons, no screen. L8100 is a newer model, just about a year in the market. L8050 is older, but has been tested by many users and works great. What about the price? L8050 costs around $300 to $350 USD. L8100 is a bit more expensive, $400 to $450 USD. So which one should you choose? If you want a fast photo printer and don't need scan or copy, the L8050 is a solid and trusted option. But if you need an all-in-one printer with scan, copy, and a screen, then the L8100 is the better and newer choice. Tell us in the comments, which one would you buy? If this video helped you, like and subscribe to Device Doctor for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.